Okay, we're coming off another slinky pattern here. Had slinky patterns all day. We had this slide sideways into a 20-period exponential moving average on a trend day, and the market fell out of bed again. Off this low down here, we've feebly come back, slide to the right into a downsloping 2-minute 15-period simple moving average on a 2-minute chart right here. So we want to get in on these slinky patterns with the trend. So for instance, we'll pop up here, we start stalling out, moving sideways, slide sideways to the right, slide to the right into the moving average is like the perfect time to hit one of these slinkies. And this is going to be the afternoon or the end of day make break area right in here. We're off the highs by 15 points on the S&Ps. Dow's down 107. So it's been a day for the bears here, and a day to be selling in the bounces, and that's this has been describing the trend. That's why we're looking for another entry. So we're going to have bell to bell sell off, and the opening bell to the closing bell will stop in here and keep on trucking on down here. Okay, we're making a push back towards the lows. You want to tighten up the stop. You want to get your stop loss on this slinky pattern to just above this moving average, which has been our price describer so far. You'd have at least break even at the moment. Here at the end of the day, if scalping, looking to, if you're a one lot and just came in from golfing or whatever, you're going to get in. You see this pattern set up. See, we're in a trend day, and we're near the lows. You just got in, caught this. You come down here and they test the lows. You want to have a bit in to nab. Don't get greedy at the end of the move here. This may continue on, but once it gets stretched a bit too far, then we'll eventually have a snapback. Today's a day where we also had symmetry come into play. The bounces have been 2.5 points twice. We've had 2.5 point bounces on the E-mini S&P. This is another 2-point bounce. So we have the symmetry also working with us. The symmetry and a downsloping moving average on a 2-minute chart on a trend day. This is a 2-point move off the low to the high, a low of 1430.50 to 1432.50, a 2-point move. And earlier in the day we had over here on a 5-minute chart, this is a big contract from 1436.5 to 1436.30 to 1438.30. So they've been in the 2-point area, and we're getting our push down, continuing down. So as far as an entry technique, there's another slinky pattern, and of course they work best in a downtrend, and they work great in a trend type market here. NASDAQ did the same. Also, it's been also walking down. It's sliding to the right and walk down its 2-minute pattern here. Okay, there's another slinky, and exit technique. Exits down here near the end of the day. And you can hang on. You can trail a stop if you've been in from earlier. If you just come in to try to grab quick profit, you want to take off, take your money and run.